Making chocolate chip peanut butter cookies. So you're going to need 1 cup of flour, 1/2 cup of chocolate chips, a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of water, and then you're going to need a cup of peanut butter, and of course 1 egg. So let's get started. First we're going to drop in the peanut butter. So now we're going to go ahead and drop in our sugar. Let's give it a good old stir, you guys. Combine it all together. Now you can use crunchy or, creamy. I'm using the creamy. So yes, you got to combine it all together. So now we're going to go ahead and drop in our egg. We're going to combine it all together. Drop in our chocolate. We're going to give that a good old stir. Combine it all together like this. So now we're going to drop in 1/4 cup of water. Then give that a good old stir. Now we're going to slowly start dropping in our flour, a little bit at a time, and then just mix it all together. Start dropping in the rest of the flour. Oops. And just combine it all together. Oh, and y'all, we're going to add in a teaspoon of this baking soda here. Or 1/2 teaspoon. Just give it a good old mix until everything's combined it together. Our cookie dough is all put together here. So we're going to refrigerate this for 15 minutes just to get it a little chilled. And then we're going to bake them on 350 for 15 minutes. And yummy, you guys. Let's see how they come out. Now that our cookie dough is chilled, we're going to grease our baking pan just like this. And then we're going to take spoons of it and put it on the sheet. Now that we have our cookie dough into balls, we're going to take a fork and mash them down like this, you guys. Mash them down. Give them some good design. So now that we finished, we're going to go ahead and put these in the oven on 350 for 15 minutes, you guys, until brown. Well, we pulled them out of the oven, you guys, and there you have them. There you have it, you guys.